acknowledging that your mind should be coughing because of how mentally sick you really are. Your occupation is submerging into the desire to watch your body shred into simple fragments. The only thing to show for the nights that failed to end are the creases on your face that carry remorse. In hours of solitude, both body and mind begin to function against you. The craving to see your skin cry may overcome you, and you might find yourself wearing long sleeves the next day. The last portion of what you stood for, tied by the wrists and dragged behind opinions that you don't possess. An assortment of emotions begin to convey moments that are rooting for your demise. You're only to be comforted by the occasional meltdown on the floor of a shower, believing that soap is somehow easier to grip than the imposing circumstances. You begin traveling to find the merge between body and soul, and find yourself standing on the bounds of the most distant part of your mind. You feel during the last moments of twilight the marrow of whatever drives you being pulled out, but the only nostalgia you find is carried in the orange glow of a street lamp or the flick of a cigarette being lit. A dull glimmer of possibility, changing a reality. But, standing in the shadow of everyday life are the individuals and decisions that reconstruct everything you once supported. There are no permanent answers, no real conclusions, just art being made, becoming one of the most beautiful disasters.